Before you begin shopping for a home in London, Exeter, and surrounding area, there is one number that you need to know. Closing costs typically add about 2% to the purchase price. And planning for this from day one protects your emergency fund from last-minute surprises. Most first-time home buyers are great at saving their down payment, but many find out just days before possession that land transfer tax, legal fees, and prepaid adjustments add thousands of dollars more. At Community Real Estate Group London and Area Living, we make it very simple. Every search starts with one calculation: purchase price times 2%. For a $600,000 home, that means setting aside about $12,000, which comfortably covers Ontario land transfer tax, legal fees, disbursements, prepaid taxes on condo fee adjustments, and also about a $500 buffer for lender-related costs. We build those numbers right into your budget and adjust them if your price or closing date changes, so there's zero guesswork when your lawyer asks for certified funds. Picture this as possession day, keys in one hand, money still in the bank, and no credit card panic because every check was planned months and months in advance. It also strengthens your negotiating position because you know your true bottom line before you even draft the offer. Follow the 2% rule, and your first month in your new home, it'll be very enjoyable. There won't be any surprises. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe to Community Real Estate Group London and Area Living for more expert real estate tips and neighborhood insights. Are you ready to take the next step? Visit communityrealestategroup.ca. We're here to guide you every step of the way.